Hi, you're watching Professor Plays, and today I am playing Factorio. So the last time we left, we had put down the blueprint for the chemical science, and just need to finish filling in the raw material and building the rest of the blueprint here. So this is the output belt. These are red, but they don't need to be red. In fact, they don't need to be there because the blueprint had beacons there, which beacons are a way to speed up the machines, and we're not using beacons, so I can just remove those. Okay, steel and iron plate. Iron plate. Okay, so iron plate. You are going the wrong way. Let's make sure these are going the correct way. There we go. Iron plate down here. Alright, and you are iron plate. And again, I know, if you recall, we are very low on our iron ore. So, let's see, if I have any, I want some supplies. Do I have? I should have. Yeah, we should have plenty of supplies. So I need underground. I'll take some of you, and I'll take some more belt. Oh, and I'll take some more assembly machines. There you go, thank you. And maybe some power poles while I'm here. Like that. Okay, that should do it. Copper's weak. Actually, iron ore looks like it's caught up for now, but we'll start using it again. Alright, back to our science build. Little twisty belt here. There's also, it's hard to see, but there's a underground belt right there. And that would mess up the blueprint if you overwrote that with a solid belt. Alright, and that goes there, and that goes there, and now we need a bunch of inserters. I don't know why I goofed up. I don't know why the inserters on that don't match the other ones. Oh well. My blueprints may not be pretty, but they work. Normally. No guarantees. Oh, I thought I got a bunch of you guys. Didn't I get a bunch of you guys? Can I make some? Yeah, let's just make a few. I'm not going to run all the way back over there just for a few more long-handed inserters. Let's just handcraft some. Okay, so you and you and you and you and you and you. Okay, so now we need iron plate. That is iron plate, and we need steel. Let's see, where is steel? Steel is down here. Oops. Try that again. There we go. There's steel. Okay, is that all? I got some. Oh, I broke something, didn't I? Did I break something? Let me see. Yes, I did. I broke that belt. I can't really point to it and show you, but on the bottom right corner of the print that I'm holding, the belt is supposed to go onto the inside. And I didn't do that. So that's why I say I broke it. Like this. Hard to see because it's behind that power pole. But it's supposed to do that. Okay, we don't need this. And is everybody happy? We are making engine units. They will be handed over to this machine. There it goes. Okay, I think it's working. So now you go into where you go here onto this belt. So actually you are here. And then down here, I want you on the inside. Like that. And there it comes. I see some coming down the belt. And you must be extra. We don't need you. And it's very dark, I realize. Do I have any lights? No. Let me make some lights. So dark. Much better. Oh, there's one in the plan right there. I'll just take it out. I already put one up there. Okay. Now that will give us the ability to research construction robots. We will need the facilities to build those. We'll have to hook up advanced oil processing and then, well, let's see what we can, oh, did I put the store down here that makes chemical? Yes, I did. Okay, so we can do, and in fact, I have a couple. So let's see, I have chemical plants, nice, 22. Okay, more refineries, very good, I'll take those. More pipe, yes, I will take that. Alright, I'm going to want, well, that's good for now. Before I forget, oh no! Okay, I gotta go visit those guys. Change of plans, or they will come visit us. I don't know what's over here. I don't think there's anything bad over here. I think it's water. But, can't, these guys down here too. Okay. Once again, our building is interrupted by the need to do combat. Alright, that's fine. Let's see. Let's burn up all the stone I've got. How many combat robots do we have? I'll take it. Okay, press X to put my combat bar on the top. And actually I'll put my grenades over here, put you here. And put grenades. Yeah, I don't really use grenades for combat, but it seems like a place to put them. Alright, and my fish, I got some fish. And I got my car. Can we make better armor? No, I don't need them anyway. Okay, and what else? What else? Okay, I'll take more ammo. And that's it. That's plenty. That's plenty. Okay, that's fine. And I've got my car. Yes, I do. And we got some fish. Yes, we do. Okay, so let's go take out those problems. They are to the right, essentially. Where's my car? Here is my toolbar. Let's drive down the sidewalk. Hi, fellas. Mind if we visit? So, let's see. Just hold down the left mouse button. Down here you see the number of deployed bots, and then when it turns green, that's your max. Now I pick up some fish so I can heal myself. Watch out for the worms. They have quite a range. You step in that goo that they're spitting at you, and it kind of glues you down, and it hurts. I see a worm over here, so let's go over here. Yes, I've drastically outpowered the bugs. That's the whole idea. And now these bots don't last long, so don't try to plan on using them too much. They're inexpensive. Now let's see. Did I want to go? Now let's go down here. Take out these while I'm at it. Yeah, see, they're already gone. Those what are those called again? I can never remember what this was. Defender capsules. The defender capsules. They last long enough for one attack, then deploy some more. I've got a bunch, right? They're cheap. So stand here, hold down the left mouse button, deploy. 15 is our limit. Grab my fish. Grab my fish. There we go. Watch out for the worm spit. Oh no, you got me. Okay, we kind of got the attention of this base over here, so maybe we can use these bots to take out Chew. Ha 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 ha. You didn't touch me. You guys didn't touch me. The first ones did. Alright, so let's go down here, since we're over here, and see what's in this black area. I see a bunch of trees. Well, I see trees. I don't know if it's a bunch of trees, but I see trees. Oh, there's a base. There's another base. How are you doing pollution-wise? Well, okay. Since I'm here, it would be impolite to not visit the neighbors since we're here. Don't you think? Hello. How's it going? Ah, they got me again. You guys are not hospitable at all. Alright, and then anything down here? Where did I leave my car? I lost my car. It's up there. I see it on the map. The car is a little triangle, white triangle with a red border. That's a good thing because I'm constantly leaving it. Tank also shows up like that. So we're well outside the pollution now. So that's fine. Go back up and get in my car. Stop wasting time walking around in the forest. Now let's go up here. And there's nothing there. It's got to be water over there, so I'm assuming we're safe for a while. Yeah, I think so. I'll just keep an eye on it. That's good enough for now. And I don't know where I want to be. Let's see, I want to... Construction robots. That's what I want to be. I want to make construction robots. So let's see, blueprints. Okay, bots and electric engine units. That's what I want. Let's put you... Yeah, here's good. Here's good, I think. Right about there, maybe. Okay, now we're going to need lubricant. Lubricant is something you get, or can get, with advanced oil processing, which is not set up yet. So the next step in our quest for construction robots is to get some advanced oil processing going. So let's select you, let's set current recipe, and let's change you to advanced. Shift right click, left click. Now notice they all stopped. That's because advanced oil processing requires water as an input also, in addition to oil. So now I'm going to have to provide water. And it gives you 3 outputs. So we'll need some place to put those 3 outputs as well. So, water. I have water right there. I've got water up there. I want a separate supply of water for the refinery. So, let's go to the left here. So, because the pipes are going to go that way anyway. So you are water. Don't need you. Water, water, water. Okay, you're water. I'm just hooking up the stuff that I need right now just to get some advanced processing going. Oops. Because I want those construction robots. Once I get some construction robots, I'll let them do all the tedious work, like building all these pipes and stuff. That's my goal anyway. Okay, so that is water. And where can I go to straight? It's straight over. Straight over here, it looks like. So let's do this. Try it again. Okay, there's some trees in the way. We have a cure for that now. Now that we have our explosion upgrades, 1 grenade, no more trees. I love it. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, there's a little puddle. I don't care. I don't care if it's a puddle or not, if it'll give us enough water. In fact, the puddles are limitless, as long as you can get an offshore pump in them. And we can. Look at that, and it lines up even. Okay, so there's all the water we want for this. Notice though, the offshore pumps do not require electricity. I don't know why, but they don't. Okay, so we have water. Good. And it's going all the way down here. Good. And you have water. Yes, I'm pointing at the pipe and looking over here at the little drop down, and it shows me that I have water in there. Alright, now we need to give you some place to put the extra stuff that we're getting. We're getting light oil and heavy oil. Like that. Come on. There we go. And I just want to get enough of these guys going here's some pumps, and you go here, and you go here, like that, and you go like that. Okay, there's heavy oil. There's no power here. Power. Okay, and heavy oil, light oil. Okay, let's get my blueprint for oil processing and paste it back down again, because now we have more recipes. Okay, so this chemical plant is going to convert or crack the heavy oil into lubricant. Like that. And you need nothing. Okay, you just need another tank here. Okay, so that's giving me my lubricant. And then I think that's all I need for now. Now I want that lubricant to go. I mean, the blueprint has it going to the left, but I want it down here on the bus. So I want that to come out a different direction, I think. So this blueprint has it going here, 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 and here. Yeah, I don't want you going that way. I want you going this way. I want you to go down here. So let's do this. Let's take lubricant through here. Yeah, this will work. Like that. So this is lubricant. Oops, that's going to be too close. Change of plans. This will be lubricant. And then like that. Yeah, that's fine. I think. Let's find out. So that's going to go there. That's going to go there. You need power. Okay, so there's lubricant there. Come this way. Okay, that's fine. I've kind of got a placeholder for it here. Okay, like that. There's lubricant. Okay, now I need, you know what, I need batteries. Let me make some room here. I always forget something when I'm trying to build construction robots. I guess I'm in too big of a hurry to get them. batteries, and so let's move this down here. I just get a Control X. Let me get my, oops, I missed some of you. I could have just deleted it. I've got it. It's just from a print into my blueprint. So batteries. Batteries. Where are you, batteries? Where would you be alphabetically if you were a battery? You'd be in the B's. Okay, so batteries. Like that. Do I have any chemical plants? Yes, I do. Got to be careful on some of my blueprints. I have the chemical plants where they all line up like this one, where you can just kind of click and drag. Some of my blueprints I did not do that. Chemical plants kind of alternate back and forth in their orientation, so you can't really do that click and drag thing. Power poles. Probably need a power pole down there as well, even though that there was not one in the print. Probably need one. Red. Yellow. Belt. Oops, I just overwrote one of the undergrounds. Okay, iron plate, copper. Darn, I forgot something else. It doesn't matter. I need sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. That's way more than I need. But let's just do this for now. I really wanted to put this one first. That doesn't matter, I guess. But, you know, whatever. In the order of things. See, now this one is, they're flipped around. So I press Q, and then press Q, and they're flipped around there. Yeah, in the order of things, if you wanted to place the prints in the order in which they're needed. This was actually needed before batteries because it's needed to make batteries. But this is fine. This is fine. And it's very dark. It's hard to see, I realize. And why do you go all the way up there? Why do you go all the way up there? Why do you go all the way? Well, okay, that's the output. Oh, I need underground. I need pipe to ground. Pipe to ground. Okay, and you're going to have sulfuric acid in you, and you want sulfuric acid here. So we can do that and that. And that will give us sulfuric acid. Okay. Yes. The other way around. This is sulfuric acid out, and that one sulfuric acid in over there. Right idea, I just set it backwards. Okay, so this we don't need because we're supplying it from over here. All right, we need sulfur and iron plate. Sulfur is here. Oops, I got my combat bar up there. There we go. Sulfur. Over here. You are sulfur. And I'm out of underground belt. Just make a few. Okay, these don't need to be red belts. The red belts in the print, but that's, in fact, they don't need to be that long. You can stop there. You don't need to be there. Ran out of long-handed inserters. Okay. You are iron plate. Okay, iron plate. Okay, pipe missing there, pipe missing there. We need, what do we need? We need iron plate and copper in here. Okay, iron plate and copper. So iron plate. Iron plate and copper. Let's do this. Iron plate and copper. Bring it out again. Okay, iron plate, copper, iron plate, copper, iron plate, copper, going up there. Alright. Water. So water, I had water where? Where did I bring water in? I did not bring water in. I thought I had, oh, here's water right here. Yeah, so water up there. Does that go across? Where does that come from? Water, 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 water. Are you water? No. Water goes straight up. Okay. Okay, and you need water. You don't need water, but you do need water. Okay, so, and I ran out of pipe again. I need pipe. Okay, I also need a drink of my root beer. You have pipe? Yes, you do. Do you have any belt? Underground belt. Underground belt, underground belt. Do you have any? Yes, you do. Excellent. And those? Okay, I'll take. And some of those? Yes. And some of those? Okay, very good. Much better. How about power poles? Medium power poles? Okay, excellent. Now I can actually build things. Research. Well, what I'm wanting is where are oh, we can make them. We can make construction robots. Ha 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 ha. All right. So now let me see. Personal roboport is nice. Let's see here. Ooh. Okay, mining productivity. We're short on ore. That boosts, what productivity does is it gives you more ore from the same patch. We want that because everything is so short right now. Okay, what else? Modular armor, I need that if I'm going to use robots in my armor. Lasers, we will want that at some point for defensive purposes. Mining productivity 2, yes, I will take that. Can't do 3 because we don't have that last science pack. Robot follower count is the combat robots. It bumps it up again. We can get more following us. Night vision. Oh, night vision. I can't do that yet because... Let me get night vision. It'll make it better. Oh, more. I've already got that one queued. Right, yeah. I'll do night vision because it'll make it better for those of you that are watching on YouTube. It won't be as dark. And I can't get 3. Personal roboport. Sure, let's do that. And personal battery. Let's do that. Okay. All right, so let's see. We had, what was I doing? We have nothing in there because why don't we have anything in there? Because there's no water yet. Okay, the water was, where was water? Water was up there. Yes. And we need that pipe and that pipe. And we need some water. There's some water right here. Do I have a pump? I have a pump. There we go. Water. Okay. Something's happening. One thing that's happening is this belt's going the other way. I want you to come down this way. Alright, batteries. I've actually got a spot reserved for you on the bus someplace. I don't remember exactly where it was, but I think I do. Do I? Yep, it's right there. Coal, sulfur, plastic, and then battery. Coal, sulfur, plastic, and then battery. Okay, so you go above plastic. Here's plastic. And no, let's don't tie you into there. And here's battery. Batteries. All right. And we need the batteries to make our robots. So let's put you back over here. I actually missed part of that, didn't I? I'm just going to redo it. When I cut to move it, I didn't get the whole thing. So, where was that? What were you called? Bots and electric. Meaning electric engines. Bots and electric engines. There we go. Okay, so batteries go here. Right there. And where's my batteries? Right here's the batteries. I don't actually know. I don't know if I need to go beyond this point or not, but we'll put a splitter there. I can't remember. Batteries! Okay, power poles. Okay, and I could drag these. I don't know why I'm placing them individually. Alright, and there's the machine that makes the construction robots. This one's for logistic bots. We don't have those researched yet. We will shortly. And we need these to make our robot frames. We need these. to make our electric engines. We need these to make our engine units and gears and pipes. Okay, we need circuits. Circuits go there, and circuits are down here someplace. Let's grab some circuits. Circuits, iron, and steel. Okay, so we need that. We need this. Okay, circuits, steel. Steel's over here. This is circuits here. Okay. And steel. Steel is here. Okay, splitter, underground, underground. And be careful on this one. There's an underground here. And then this belt goes this way. It's a little busy right in that corner. So, iron plate. If you're in doubt on those blueprints as to what is actually there, just, press Q, hover over the thing, press Q, and it'll select what's in the print. And it ran out again. I really need to start picking up more of those, don't I? Okay, iron plate, are you doing anything? Yes, iron plate's coming up this way. Now see, that does not go beyond this point. See, there's a gap there in the belt. And so if you put that belt in there by accident, you'll mess things up. So, they're not necessarily the easiest prints to follow, I will say that, but they're my prints, so I can share them with you. I'm not stealing somebody else's work. Anyway, now that you're watching this series, and I'm telling you what to watch out for, hopefully it'll be okay. Okay, so you go here, and there, you're already there. Splitter, belt, 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 underground, and I'm out of undergrounds again. Okay, pipe. Now when I put these machines down, they're rotated the wrong way. I'm assuming that's because the blueprint was using the next tier machine. But anyway, you see when you select that you want to build an electric engine unit, it requires lubricant. That's what this little drop is. And if I had the level 3 machines, it would have placed it in the correct place. But because they're level 2 machines, it's rotated the wrong way. It's got to be over here. So just hover over it and press R. And bring that pipe connection over there to connect with the actual pipe. Like that. You don't need to be there, but we need you. And I need lubricant. And, where is the lubricant? Is it on the bus? Yes. Here it is, right here. What hatches? That was you, right? Yes, it was. Okay, so that goes there. And you don't need to be there. Let's see. And I'm out of everything again. Okay, supply run. Drink root beer. Actually, I don't have any over there. They're over here. 2 stacks. So we don't run out as quick the next time. Okay, some of those. And that's okay. Little iron plate so we can handcraft a few more things. Alright, belt, you are missing. There. Bunch of inserters. Belt. More inserters. Like so. Did I miss any? Yes, here. Like that. Are you all running? You're not running. Why are you not? There you go. You are all running. You're running. You are running. You're not and you're not because you're probably waiting. There you go. You're working. You're missing an inserter. There we go. Now you're all running. Okay. Oh, and there's a robot frame on the belt. Give me a robot frame and we'll put it in there ourselves. Where did you go, robot frame? There you are. Okay, circuits. Red and green. It really just needs green for construction bots, but the reds we'll need later, so let's bring those both up here. Speaking of red, where are you guys? You're non-existent. Well, it's only a few machines up there anyway. Gotta work on that later. Too far. There. Red and green. Okay. You're red. You're green. No. Like that. Like this. Like that. So this is red continuing, this is green here, there's red and green. And as I already said, don't really need red right now, just the green ones. Okay, I need to make a Roboport. Roboport, I need steel, a bunch of gears, and a bunch of advanced circuits. Oh, we don't have a bunch of advanced circuits. That's going to be a problem. Okay, no point in delaying anymore. Let's boost this. Boost this here. Where is the copper? Oh my gosh, there's nothing. Yeah, this is putting a damper in my quest for world domination. I can't build bots without raw material. Are we safe for a moment? Yes, we are. We need more stuff. Wait. We have copper. Did I not put mining drills all over that? Oh, but I didn't. I didn't. Oh, I thought I heard somebody yelling at me through YouTube. You gotta yell louder. It's hard to hear that, you know, when you're going backwards like that. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, let's see here. Just make sure we get just copper, or I could filter it. But I don't feel like filtering it right now, so let's just do this. So we're going to go down this way and up this way. And what I mean by filtering is if you put the mining drill down where it's getting mixed resources, you just need to put something like a splitter. Well, I can show you. But put a splitter down there and then you can filter out the stuff you don't want. So let's say if I had a mining drill here. Oh, I don't even have a mining drill. Can I make a mining drill? Can I make a mining drill? Yes, I can. So I could put a splitter here, like that. And I could say, click on the splitter. Oops. Don't do what I just did. Let's try that again. Put a splitter here, like that. Click on the splitter and say, click this right here, and say to the right, I want iron ore on the right. Output priority, right, filter iron ore. Okay, now it's got a bunch of copper in there right now. I'm just going to stand right there and press F to grab the excess copper. Now we can do this. Now we can put a drill down here and see over here on the right. When I put this drill here, it says it's going to get both copper and iron ore. But that's okay now because I'm going to filter it with that splitter is going to filter it. So the iron's going to go to the right and the copper will go to the left. That's what I mean by filtering it. So you can do that. Okay, so now we got a little bit more copper. Much better, much better. Pollution. Okay. Safe. Now, I wanted to try to make a roboport. What did I say? Oh, red circuit. 45. Oh, we don't have any red circuits. Yeah, okay. How's my time? I'm running out of time. Okay, let me just build here a little bit. And get some more red circuits going here. Can't delay anymore. Just don't have enough stuff to do anything. What are you? You are copper cable. That's fine. Power poles. Power poles. Power poles. Okay, machines. Belt. Power poles. Okay, inserters, inserters, inserters. And are you connected to anything? Yes. Just copper is so weak. Copper is so weak, nothing is coming up the line. But it will get caught up now. Well, I mean, it may not get completely caught up, but There's definitely more copper ore available now than there was. And I definitely need to go bring in more copper ore. I mean, I know that. I would just like to get some of this running if I can, so that while we're off doing that, something productive is happening here in the base. Oops. Oops. Alright, and none of these are in there. And I'm out of long-handeds. Okay, give me some of those. You need plastic. You need advanced circuits, or electronic circuits, I mean, the green ones. Press the wrong key. And then copper. Copper. Copper, 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 and copper. Still very weak. Okay, copper, green, plastic. And you are hooked up on this side. And you are connected on that side. And do I have any lights? Yes, I do have some. Let's give you some lights. There's an inserter missing. Okay. Alright, that's we just need raw material. So that's hooked up, that's doing something. Got a few of those running. And we have robots, and now if I can get enough circuits, I'll make a roboport and put the robots to work, but I really need to get more material. So I'm going to stand right there. That'll do it for today's episode. This will remind me of what I want to work on next, because I'll be saying, I must want to work on that. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click that thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Take care, and we'll see you next time.